Hi, chefs! Welcome back to Meals with Sue. Today, we're diving into a dish that's bold, savory, and ready in just 20 minutes. It's my 5 ingredient soya pepper beef slices, perfect for weeknights or even when you want flavors without the fuss. It's almost like a bulgogi Korean dish, but I will just call it soya pepper beef slices. Just remember, every bite is a hug for your taste buds. I hope you can check this out, watch till the end because you will want to use this recipe for keeps and make it often, especially when you're in a rush. First of all, let us go through the ingredients. Here, all you need is thinly sliced beef, thick soy sauce for the rich caramel depth, and black pepper and a little bit of sea salt to taste. Fresh garlic if you have some to close, garlic powder, or alternatively you can use garlic oil that you have prepared. Sugar about 2 tablespoons, and I'm using brown sugar. You can also use white sugar if that's all you have. Check out the ingredients below in the description so that you can check this out and do it and try it out. So first of all, I will start by slicing the beef thinly. Usually I would sharpen my knife before I slice the beef. This piece of beef was just bought from HEB on the way back from work. Look how fresh it is. And then go ahead and slice it thinly as you can, because I was in a rush, so I could only try my best to cut it very thinly. Okay, if you can cut it thin, it will soak up more of the marination and it will be tastier and tender. But try your best, no worries if you can't. I'm also doing it quite thick actually, if you see. So slow and easy, slice it out first. So step 2 is that I marinated it. Start by marinating your beef slices with a sprinkle of Himalayan sea salt. So I just went try to cover all the surfaces with a little bit of pink sea salt. It was like about 2 to 3 pinches. So go ahead and sprinkle it on top of the meat. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Marinating it for a little bit of time will make sure the beef slices soak up the sea salt and it will be tastier. And while you're waiting for the marination to kick in, you can just bring out the Instant Pot. This quick marinade makes the beef tasty. If you have more time, you can actually use all the ingredients and stir it up, marinate all the meat, all with all the green ingredients and stir it up and keep it for about 20 to 30 minutes and then only start cooking. But because I was rushing, I bought this one just at 5:30 and now I'm just cooking it, slicing it up quickly, marinating it, sprinkling with some salt, and then going ahead with the cooking and stirring. The next step will be what I like about the Instant Pot is the salty function. With the salty function, you can heat up the inner pot first. When the pot is heating up, add a splash of oil, and that will make sure it doesn't get burnt. So, and then brown the beef in the pot. Pour in all the beef and you brown the beef in the pot. Toss in the marinated beef. Use a long spatula to stir the beef slices and to get them to be evenly cooked. Stir fry, and this will take about 5 to 6 minutes until the edges caramelize and the aroma hits you like a warm hug. You can see the pieces as you move it along. It will turn from the color of red to a color of brownish. That's when it starts to cook. Put a little bit more so that it gets brown and caramelized a bit. That takes a little bit of patience, so about 5 to 6 minutes. And then that little bits of brown and bits of charred is going to make the meat smoky and nice. As you are stirring, I will just quickly pour in all the ingredients. This is the dark soy sauce. You can add all the spices and sauces as you're stirring. So I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of that caramel thick soy sauce, and this will add a little bit of rich caramel depth to the meat. Next, I will put in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, thin soy sauce. I will put lots of pepper, and every time I put the ingredient, I'll go ahead and just stir it up and mix it all up, And you can also use black or white pepper. I'm going to use black pepper because I have black pepper. Again, about 1 teaspoon or one teaspoon or more if you like it to be fiery. I like a lot of pepper, so I cook with a lot of pepper. Pepper actually is very good for digestion, so you can use more if you like. Be playful and intuitive about the sauces and spices. I don't cook with measurements, so the measurements that I gave you is just like approximately around this so that you have a good idea, but just do it intuitively. You will know how much to put as the smell come up. And if you like it sweet, add a little bit more sugar. If you like it salty, add a little bit more salt. And if you like peppery, put a little. So it goes with intuition. And just intuitively add according to your liking and taste buds. Truly, everybody is different, and you might like it saltier, sweeter, more peppery. Go ahead with what you prefer. And the last part is I did add some brown sugar. It will make everything seal up with a little bit of sugary taste, sweeten it a bit. I use brown, but remember, if you don't have brown, go ahead and use white. Okay, so just to recap, dark soy sauce, thin soy sauce, pepper, brown sugar, sea salt, 5. And if you have, it's optional, garlic powder or 2 cloves of garlic or garlic oil. That's what I have. So once you have done all that, I'm waiting for the meat to turn all cooked and brown. So I'm just giving it a bit of 3 minutes so that it's half turned brown, but another half is not. So I'm giving it another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay? Once the beef is cooked through and glistering with the soy sauce, you can give it a final sprinkle of cracked pepper. That's your flavor crescendo and deep, smoky and soulful. So at this point, I will add half a cup of water. This will avoid burning the beef because you're going to close the lid. So half a cup of water. And again, once you put the water in, give it a good stir so that you can mix it well. I'm waiting for the meat to turn from red to brown before I put the water in. Now to have the beef slices more tender and juicy, this is the last part and it's one of the easiest part. I will close the lid and use the pressure cook function. So turn off the salty function and instead put pressure cook function. Cook under pressure cook for 12 to 15 minutes. This is the easiest part. You can close the lid, leave the cooking under the desired time, and now you can stir fry vegetables or get other things done, or even just go shower. And by the time you come out, your food is ready and you check back in 12 to 15 minutes and it's ready to be served. So when you check back, right now, once I open it, this is how it will look. The food is cooked and ready. The pressure cook function will make sure the meat turns tender. It will tenderize it. Alright, so that it's cooked in such a short time. So it's best to kind of make it a little bit softer and tenderized. So this is how it will look. Over here is optional. If you like to add some vegetables, you can add some bell peppers. You can stir fry for another 2-3 minutes at the end part and wait until they're slightly tender but still vibrant, and the color will pop, the flavors will mingle. It's a dance of heat and harmony. But here, I'm just going to do a little shortcut and just serve with rice. Some rice, some of the beef slices, and you can go ahead and have dinner. Honestly, I was in a rush to get dinner going, so just beef slices, warm rice, and some stir-fry vegetables. Here I'm making a little bowl of rice with the beef and also packing some for lunchbox tomorrow. So usually I cook enough for 4 portions to eat immediately and 4 portions for lunch boxes. So, and just like that, your soya pepper beef slices are ready. Serve it over rice, noodles, and enjoy it solo. You can also eat it with bread. It's fast, flavorful, and full of soul. If you love this quick recipe, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with someone who needs a little kitchen joy, drop a comment below and what's your go-to 5-ingredient magic. Until next time, stay nourished and stay inspired. Thank you so much for watching.